Hey friends, welcome to Hidden Secrets Revealed Live. Today on Hidden Secrets Revealed Live, I have a lot to cover. Yuga Labs Otherside NFT floor. The floor price is down. Okay, time to sweep that floor, I guess. And cryptocurrency prices plummet with a certain stable coin being unstable. Let's talk about it today on Hidden Secrets Revealed Live. The idea is simple. Every day, Monday through Friday, I go live for about 10 minutes. I want to help you to look good, feel good, and smell good. In the process, I reveal the hidden secrets of the universe at no extra charge. You're welcome. This is my micro podcast live stream that I do every day. If you are a seeker, let me be your guide to discover divine truth for yourself. Let me help you increase the quality and effectiveness of your life by revealing to you the hidden secrets of the universe. I want to help you look good, feel good, and smell good. Did I say that already? Hidden Secrets Revealed Live is a production of Safe New Media, unconventional, diversified global digital media company devoted to the practice, administration, and dissemination of the ideologies of its founder, yours truly. It is definitely not a cult. Follow me on Spotify. There's a link in the description if you're watching on YouTube and Facebook. My new record, well, it came out the beginning of this year. It's called Surplus. safetymedia.com/surplus for more information. All your wildest dreams will come true if you visit me if you join us, safetymedia.com. Okay, the album is on Spotify, etc. Ask me about the NFT. Are we friends on Twitter? Let's be friends on Twitter. Come on. Are we friends on Twitter? Let's be friends on Twitter. Come on, everybody. All right, appreciate you guys watching. Smash that subscribe button, pummel that subscribe button into submission. Leave a comment and share this with a friend. By the way, I have a Telegram that I started. If you want to go deeper, join our Telegram. Here is the URL for that. All right, I'm going to shut up and get to our topic today because I have a lot to cover. There's a lot. Okay, let's start with this. The Otherdeed for Otherside collection from Yuga Labs, makers of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. BAYC, these funny cartoon apes, these JPEGs of apes that people pay a lot of money for. Okay, this collection was a highly anticipated NFT mint for land in their upcoming metaverse platform. Users paid for land with 20 ApeCoin tokens and paid a lot of gas fees in ETH for this. Otherdeed for Otherside NFTs. The floor price has dropped below its mint price of 8.9703 ETH to currently 2.769 ETH, which is equivalent to 5,737 and 67 cents in dollars and cents. Yuga Labs issued 55,000 Otherdeed NFTs in late April, ranking in they raked in over $320 million from the sale. That's a lot. That's good. Good job, guys. This figure places the Otherdeed's mint as the highest gross for an NFT project to date. Another 45,000 Otherdeeds were issued to holders under the Yuga Labs ecosystem, with 10 15,000 claimable by Bored Ape Yacht Club holders, 20,000 by Mutant Ape Yacht Club holders, and 15,000 reserved for Yuga developers and others helping to build Otherside. In total, Yuga Labs will be releasing 200,000 Otherdeeds. The remaining 100,000 will be used to reward what they call Voyagers, who hold Otherdeeds and contribute to the development of Otherside. Okay, now here's something interesting. If you want to know who paid the most, Otherdeed number 59906, the 8th rarest virtual land piece from Yuga Labs' Otherside, was bought by a user that goes by the name nobody with zeros for O's .eth for 625 ETH. You do the math. That's a lot of money. Floor prices. You do the math. I don't have to. Floor prices for several of the most popular NFT collections, including the top traded Otherdeed for Otherside metaverse land, are falling to their lowest levels in over a week. In addition to Yuga's Otherdeed collection, the floor price of the omnipresent Bay Area Yacht Club collection. I'm sorry, I said Bay Area. Sorry, I meant to say Bored Ape. Here, that gives you a clue where I'm based. It's an undisclosed secret location, but that gives you a clue where I'm based right now. Okay, back to the story. By the way, smash that subscribe button, pummel that subscribe button into submission. I'm going live right now on Twitch, on YouTube, and Facebook, and my friends are watching exclusively behind the scenes on Instagram. All right, so in addition to Yuga's Otherdeed collection, the floor price of the omnipresent, ubiquitous Bored Ape collection, it has plummeted in the last 7 days. The floor price has plummeted by 15%. As of Wednesday, it was 91 ETH. This still amounts to around $212,000. It's about $100,000 less than it was a week ago. They'll be okay. However, Azuki, the anime-inspired art NFTs, in another prominent collection that has had its floor price decline. Azuki's floor price has dropped by more than half since May 4th, from 30.5 ETH to 15 ETH. Okay. There may have been some shady characters involved that is why that it could explain that situation. Last week, Yuga Labs' massive Otherdeed NFT mint for virtual land deeds in the Bored Ape Yacht Club metaverse realm Otherside clogged the Ethereum mainnet with transaction demand. This triggered a gas war and network chaos. Yuga Labs implied that the Ethereum mainnet was to blame. I think they're switching ApeCoin to Polygon, or they reimbursed gas fees. The cryptocurrency market is in bad shape. Here's another thing, the stablecoin, UST, plummeted to an all-time low of 30 cents. Bitcoin fell more than 50% since its all-time high. It's down 57.4% from its all-time high. Its all-time high was 69,000, over 69,000. 69,044.77 last November, on November 10th, 2021. Okay, but stablecoin Terra USD, it's a UST. This is a stablecoin that crashed a couple days ago, May 10th. It's down 54% at 44 cents on this morning. Luna is down a staggering 99% from its April 5th all-time high of $119.98. $119.98. Stablecoins, if you need this if you need a little info, if you don't know what a stablecoin is, stablecoins are cryptocurrencies whose aim is to remain stable and have low volatility. Stablecoins are pegged to a currency, or they could be pegged to gold, or they could be pegged to the dollar. Terra is known to be the biggest decentralized stablecoin. It lost its peg. The depegging was initiated due to a bunch of withdrawals from the biggest DApp, decentralized app, on the Terra chain, Anchor protocol. This lending platform, the noted, it declined. The total value declined on this lending platform. Most of the investors on this platform pulled their investments, and the result was that the total deposits on Anchor fell by $5 billion. Okay, so stablecoins are pegged to sometimes the dollar, like USD stablecoin, USD is USD coin, but Terra was partially backed by Bitcoin. Here's why: it partially relies on financial engineering to maintain its peg to the dollar. The founder of Terra, the Terra network, Do Kwon, announced last March that they will be purchasing Bitcoin to serve as their reserves. Okay, he's the founder, Do Kwon. He revealed that Terra was planning to buy more than $10 billion worth of Bitcoin to serve as its reserves for this token. So UST, Terra, grew to a market cap of more than $15 billion, but it needs a steady reserve to balance its value. That is where the Bitcoin reserves come into place. Okay. So Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold. This is because the digital asset is seen as a better store of value compared to its physical counterpart. Okay, gold is a metal that can be used for jewelry, but it doesn't have a fixed supply, for example. Over the years, Bitcoin has grown into the mainstream as one of the most efficient stores of value. Okay, there's more people choosing to store their wealth in Bitcoin than going with the centuries old store of value, the shiny metal that you have to put in a safe, and people can steal from you, that the government can take. Government seizes gold. The government has seized gold. Okay, the government cannot seize your Bitcoin. The Luna Foundation Guard, an organization created by Terra's inventor Do Kwon, said in a series of tweets that it would loan $750 million worth of Bitcoin to trading firms to help protect the peg, and also loan $750 million in UST to accumulate Bitcoin to help normalize the market. If you haven't noticed, Bitcoin is down. Okay, but not as much as Luna is down. The demise of Luna has been compounded by issues with Terra's dollar peg stablecoin UST. Okay, today Do Kwon announced his plan via Twitter to repeg UST and acknowledged that the past 72 hours have been extremely tough on all of you. Do you own? Does this affect you? Did you own any Terra? Leave a comment if that's you. Luna /USD is currently trading, last time I checked, at $1.12, down 92.7%. Last week, it was trading at a high of $88.40. Bitcoin is currently down, last time I checked, at 28.8 thousand. It's down over 58% from its all-time high. Ouch. Oof. Okay, hang on though. It is still up 217,000% all time. I'll wrap it up in a minute. I usually just go live for 10 minutes, but I know there's a lot of information because I want to tell you to keep it in perspective. Okay, it doesn't change the fact that it is the only asset incapable of corruption. The fiat money supply is controlled by the Federal Reserve. Literally, a few people make decisions concerning the supply of your fiat dollars. Money in the bank is merely entries of digits in a ledger anyway, right? But the central banking system is opaque. Bitcoin is the opposite. Everything is verifiable and out in the open. The Bitcoin motto is clear on this point. Don't trust, verify. Don't trust, verify. You don't have to trust. Just verify. Bitcoin is freedom. Anyone can own it, regardless of net worth or social status. Bitcoin is more secure than your bank. It can't be hacked. Bitcoin is secure in ways the mind can hardly fathom. Okay. See if you can process this information. A Bitcoin key. Can you comprehend what I'm about to tell you? A Bitcoin key, the private value associated with your supply of Bitcoin, is just one of 2 to the 256 power possible combinations. Mathematically, that is bonkers. The number of atoms in the perceivable universe is likely smaller than that number. Ultimately, what makes Bitcoin so secure is, number one, the sheer impossibility of guessing a Bitcoin key. Number two, the sophisticated cryptography of the blockchain. And number three, the decentralized nature of validation. It's the only store of value that doesn't rely on a third-party gatekeeper. Okay, Bitcoin has a finite supply. Unlike gold, Bitcoin has a finite supply of 21 million. 21 million Bitcoin, and that's it. Once demand outweighs supply, there's no limit to its value. Bitcoin can be more valuable than is possible with gold. Okay, another asset to compare it to, real estate, is an asset which requires substantial capital and upkeep. I mean, think about it. What if the nation where you have land is corrupted by the government. You can't move. If you invest in real estate, you can't dig it out and move it. Okay. Now, I'm going to conclude with this. So I'm not spreading FUD, fear, uncertainty, and what does the D stand for in FUD? Doubt. It's actually why this is actually why crypto is a good investment. This is still a new frontier where fortunes are made and they're lost and they're made again. Okay, but these are uncertain times, which is exactly why I'm betting on Bitcoin and crypto in general. However, I personally won't be buying land in the metaverse anytime soon, but that's just me. Do your own research. No financial advice is given here. This is just for entertainment purposes. I appreciate you guys watching. Smash that subscribe button, pummel that subscribe button into submission, like and share this. If you leave a comment, even if you insult me, just make it funny. That's all I ask. I appreciate you guys. Check out my new record, Surplus. It's available on Spotify. For more info, you can go to safetymedia.com/surplus. All right, that's it. Got to get back to work. I appreciate you guys. I have spoken.